Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain WORKHUMAN app review to see if it's worth using. WORKHUMAN is a platform designed for companies that want to foster a culture of recognition and appreciation in the workplace. The app lets employees celebrate each other's achievement through the messages of recognition and a point which can be redeemed for rewards. It also provides insightful data to managers and organizations about engagement trend, collaboration, and more morals. The main appeal is the ability to connect employees across departments, boost motivations, and create more cohesive and appreciative workplace culture, all in a convenient mobile app. The WorkHuman app is especially worth it for large organizations that want to consolidate recognitions into a single platform and track its impact on engagement and intention. However, it is not without a drawback. Some find it pricey, a bit restrictive in terms of customization, and some overly corporate in styles. There have a report for a few companies that the reward catalogs and point system can become confusing or hard to manage. So while it's a powerful tool for improving culture and recognition at sales, small businesses or companies with a tighter budget may find it more sophisticated, even more expensive than they need. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this app review, and don't forget to subscribe and follow for more. Thanks.